What's up guys, it's Josh back with another video and welcome back to the KeepItTechie channel. And today I wanted to dive into a very special topic, and that's the power of a great LinkedIn profile for landing a job in tech. So whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your career, LinkedIn is a game changer. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's kick things off with the basics of crafting a strong LinkedIn profile. You might be wondering why your LinkedIn profile matters so much in the tech industry. Well, here's the deal. It's your digital first impression and a crucial tool for networking and job hunting. So first things first, specify your current title, even if you're currently between jobs. This not only keeps your profile current, but also lets recruiters know what you're aspiring to be. Next, sprinkle in some industry-specific keywords throughout your profile. These are like magic words that recruiters use to find potential candidates. And so you want to think of them as a golden ticket to being discovered by the right people. And also a side note, they're bringing AI into a lot of this stuff, so it will also help you be discovered through those systems as well. Now, when it comes to writing your LinkedIn summary, consider doing it in first person. This makes your profile more relevant and conversational, and it will get people talking about your background a little bit more. And it's not just about listing your accomplishments, it's all about telling your professional story. So things that you've been through within the industry, not too personal, but personal enough to where it goes back to those conversational type of information that you're putting out there. Now, lastly, you want to at least aim for around 50, 60, up to 100 connections, because these are, in my opinion, one of the most important things. If you don't have any connections, you really don't exist on the platform. But if you have those connections, it shows that you're actively engaged on the platform and not just a passive observer. So start connecting with people like your colleagues. Let's say you're in college, so your college peers and people, let's say you meet at a tech event. So now that you got the basics down, let's dive deeper into optimizing your LinkedIn profile for job searches. And one key strategy is to regularly update your profile with your current job title, skills, and achievements. This not only keeps your profile fresh, but also improves your chances of showing up in search results when recruiters are looking for candidates with specific skills and experience. Now, make sure you're also using that job saver feature, and you can use it to bookmark job postings you're interested in and receive notifications about similar openings. I know I get plenty of emails from LinkedIn basically saying that new jobs related to my searches as well as bookmarks have popped up, and if I want to apply, I can apply right away. And also, if you're into that, which I'm more of a privacy type of person, I try not to add many browser extensions, but there's a browser extension that can help you stay updated on job opportunities without even leaving your browser. So if you're doing something else, it'll pop up with alerts using that browser extension, letting you know that new jobs are available. Now, speaking of skills, make sure you add specific tech skills to your profile and encourage your connections to endorse you for them. And this also makes it easier for recruiters to see your strengths as well as your qualifications at a glance. All right, so the last area I kind of want to cover that can help you with your LinkedIn profile is to look into creating a personal brand, as well as making sure you network. Again, like I said, that's one of the most important things on a LinkedIn profile. Now, back to the brand. Your personal brand is what sets you apart from the crowd. You share your professional journey. One of the things I always talk about is creating a GitHub page and linking it to it. And then you can also talk about some of your passions, because I recommend people contribute to open source projects or different things like that that are related to the industry that you're in. And this will give recruiters more of an insight and allow them to resonate with your story. And make sure you don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Now, back to networking. Like I said, networking is key. Make sure you connect with people in your industry. This is one thing I tell people that are looking to get into the field. Find those connections of people that work in the type of positions that you're looking to pursue. And then you could possibly hit them up in the messenger and say, hey, I'm looking to pursue this area that you're currently working in, and I was looking for some direction on what type of trainings that you recommend, or what direction, what certification should I be looking into the most. And this is a great way to find like those mentors that can help you. And most of the time you're running into people like me, and they're willing to help you because they want you to be successful in this field. They understand how great this field is, and they'll do whatever they can to help you. And then also engage with posts. A lot of times you see a lot of posts on LinkedIn. You'll see them pop up here and there. Engage with those posts. Talk about the topic that's being discussed in that post. Add your thoughts and add to the conversation. And one other thing I always like to push is joining relevant LinkedIn groups. There are millions of groups out there, and it's all dependent on what area of IT you're in. Like, for instance, just to give you some examples of me, I'm in a lot of database administration groups because I'm a database administrator. And so it's good to consult with other people that are in the field doing the same job that you're doing. And it'll keep you on top of what direction that field is actually going into. And this increases your visibility within the tech community and might even lead to unexpected opportunities. So remember, your LinkedIn profile is more than just a digital resume. It's a platform to showcase your skills, connections, connect with industry leaders, and find your dream job. Well, that wraps up today's video on crafting an outstanding LinkedIn profile for tech job success. Now, if you found this video helpful and insightful, please consider hitting that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all the latest tech tips, career advice, and industry insights right here on the KeepItTechie channel. And if you have any questions, thoughts, or your own LinkedIn success stories, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section. Your comments and feedback not only helps our community grow, but also enable me to create content tailored to your needs. So until next time, keep it techie.